throughout this session. In today's session, we will focus on a gentle warm-up and a wonderful pranayama practice, leaving you with a deep sense of relaxation of both body and mind. Take a couple of seconds and pick up a yoga block or a rolled up mat and sit on it. This will enable you to sit up tall and help lengthen your spine. If you feel more comfortable sitting against a wall for the pranayama practice, please feel free to do the same. Take a minute to settle down. Now, let us begin by chanting Om together. Sit up tall, shoulders roll back and down, eyes gently closed, abdomen relaxed. Inhale deeply. Open your eyes. We will start the practice with some warm-up exercises. Continue sitting in any cross-leg position. Sit up tall. Roll your shoulders back and down. Chest open. And once again, gently close your eyes and listen to the sound of my voice and follow my instructions. Turn your neck all the way to the right and then slowly to the left. Inhale, neck to the right. Exhale to the left. Inhale, right. Exhale, left. Inhale, right. Exhale, left. Inhale, right with your breath. Exhale, left. Inhale, right. One last time. Exhale, left. Now inhale, look all the way up towards the ceiling. And exhale, looking all the way down without rounding your shoulders. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Now bring the head back to the center. We will now move on to some shoulder rotations. Rolling the shoulders back slowly on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now rolling the shoulders forward on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Moving on to wrist rotations. Now rotate your wrist clockwise on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Anti-clockwise on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slowly stretch your legs out and shake the legs out. Relax your legs. Now bring both your legs together and gently point your toes away from you. And now pull your toes towards you. We'll do this a few times. Point your toes and pull the toes towards you, stretching the back of the leg. Point your toes and pull the toes towards you. Now rotate the ankles clockwise together on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Anti-clockwise on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now when you're ready, cross your legs again and mentally start to prepare for the practice of pranayama. Take a few slow, deep inhales and exhales. As you inhale, breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth, relaxing the body, relaxing your mind. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Do this a few more times. Each exhalation, try and allow your body and mind to relax. Now slowly allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Mouth closed. Today we will be practicing Surya Bedha Pranayama. Surya Bedha Pranayama is also known as the sun-piercing breath. Our right nostril is associated with our body's heating energy and is symbolized by the sun. And by practicing Surya Bedha Pranayama, we stimulate our digestive fire, energize the whole body, calm the nervous system, and we keep all respiratory problems away. Let us now begin the practice of Surya Bedha Pranayama. Once again, sit up tall, chest open, your right fingers in Vishnu Mudra, where you just close the middle and index fingers of the right hand and use only the thumb and the little finger during the practice. Left hand remains in Chin Mudra on the left knee, where you lightly touch the thumb and the index finger together. Through this practice, focus on long inhalations and exhalations without any force. Let us begin. First, exhale completely through both nostrils. Now close the left nostril with the right little finger and inhale slowly and deeply through the right nostril. And then close the right nostril with the right thumb and exhale completely through the left. Once again, inhale through the right nostril Exhale left. Inhale through the right. Exhale left. Inhale through the right. Exhale left. Now we'll try and set a rhythm to the breath. Inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 4 counts. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4 and exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3 and 4. Continue in this manner for 5 more rounds on your own. Gently drop your right hand, breathing comfortably through both nostrils, face relaxed, breath relaxed.